back my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I come at you with a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's just a little something, but I recently put a poll up on Instagram and I said, hey you guys, I picked up a little something from Louis Vuitton. Is that something you want to see? And the overwhelming majority of you said yes, because who doesn't love to see unboxings? I know for me, that's probably one of my favorite videos because I'm kind of nosy and I like to see what other people get. So I have to tell you, this little piece right here, I was really excited about because it's from the Watercolor collection. And you guys, when I first heard about the Watercolor collection, I knew that I had to have something from the Watercolor collection. Now, I will be honest, I did order something from the collection, which I thought would come in by now, and it didn't. I checked with my sales associate, and he said it will probably take maybe like another few weeks to come in. So I ordered that, and then I also ordered this piece as well. So I thought, rather than waiting for that one to film both of these, I thought I would show you this one first, because this is the one that came in and this is the one I'm able to share with you guys, just in case that this is something that's on your radar. That way maybe you can reach out to your sales associate as well and say, hey, you know, is this still available? Because I'm afraid that if I wait to share the other item with you as well, by that point it'll be really hard to get. So this is from the new Watercolor collection. Like I said, when I saw this a couple months back, like when I knew this was coming, I immediately texted my sales associate and I said, oh my goodness, what do you have available from this? Because this is so me. You guys know I loved the Ysl collection with the pretty pastels. I love Watercolor. Oh my gosh, I really do. So for today's video, I wore like a tie-dye sweatshirt, kind of emulating the Watercolor vibe. So let's go ahead and get into this. And when I share this with you, you guys might be a little surprised as to what it is. And I'm not going to necessarily use it for what it's meant for. Ooh, what could it be? That is a hint. So what I'm going to do, just so you can get up close and personal, let's spin around. We'll do an unboxing of this, and I will tell you a little bit about it, and I will also share with you what fits in it. So let's go ahead. I'll spin you around, and let's get right into this unboxing. Okay guys, here we go. I am so excited to share this with you. So it came in this box. I've actually never had something come in a box like this before. So open it up. And there is the dust bag. Now I have taken a peek, just looked at it a little bit, but I haven't actually taken it out of the dust bag yet. So let me remove it and show you what it is. Save the box. This is good for storage. Put that right there. All right. And the item that I picked up from the new Watercolor collection is... That is my attempt at drums. It is the... Look at this. Oh my goodness. How pretty. This is the Elizabeth pencil pouch. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would you need a pencil pouch? So I'm going to be honest. My intent is not to use this as a pencil pouch. I plan on using it similar to how I would use a mini pochette or a keep all, because I think that this will fit all of my necessities. But before we get into that and I show you how I'm going to use it, let's first take a moment to look at this beautiful piece. Like I said, it is so incredibly stunning. I knew that I had to have something from this collection. It is so beautiful, and so when this came available, I was like, absolutely. I couldn't believe I was able to get my hands on it. So like I said, this is the Elizabeth pencil pouch. Now it does retail for $525, which I thought, $525 for a pencil pouch? But then I thought, if I use it similar to the mini pochette or similar to the toiletry pouches, that could really become useful because it could be like a keep all in my purse. So let me kind of show you. This is the beautiful watercolor design. It's watercolor monogram canvas. On the front you have the LVs, then on the back you have the logos, and you can see everything is so beautifully like painted on almost like it's a canvas, but I love the beautiful colors. Now, something like this I know is not for anyone. I think this would look so pretty if it was in the mini pochette or even like a Victorine wallet, or could you imagine this as a little key pouch? I don't know why they don't do that. I feel like they should like make the key pouches in the Ysl or make it in the Watercolor. I don't know how I would feel about this as a bag, but as far as like a small SLG, this was calling my name. I'm definitely addicted when it comes to pastel or bright colors with SLGs, and this is something that is really unique and different that I don't own. So let me kind of tell you the measurements here. It's 8.3 inches in length, 2.4 inches in height, and it's about 2 inches in width. You can see the bottom is just white, and it has this beautiful LV zipper pull that is in the silver hardware. I currently have this sticker on it at the moment. I think I'm going to leave it on there for now. In case you guys are looking for this, the number is, oh, I've never seen this before, GI0591. So hopefully that will pick up and you guys can see that right there. Okay, so now let me show you the interior. Okay, currently has some tissue paper. This one on the inside says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. Here's the care card right there. And you can see this beautiful like suede interior. It's a really, really pretty blue. Very, very gorgeous. But you can see it's pretty spacious. So it is meant to put pens in, but like I said, I am not going to put pens in this. I am going to try to use this as like a little keep all. So what I want to do, let me go ahead and grab a couple things, and we're going to see how we can pack this and how like what I can put in here. And then what I want to do, I'm also going to grab a couple purses and just kind of see how it would fit, because I want to kind of experiment with this item right here. So I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and I brought a plethora of things, and I want to see if certain things can fit. So first, I brought a little card holder. Now, as you can see, the card holder will not fit, unfortunately. So this is going to be out. So I think I'm going to have to use it mainly for makeup, and I think we can make it work. So first I have this hand lotion. This is Satsuma by The Body Shop. I love this. This, of course, can fit in there nicely. Then I have this perfume. You guys, during the Sephora sale, I bought something. If you guys didn't check out my recent haul, make sure to do so. But I bought another perfume after the haul. It is by Nest Indian Jasmine. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it smells so good. It is an oil, but I recommend smelling this one or this Seville Orange. But these are perfect to put in your purse, and you can see it fits in there nicely. Then I brought a pen, because obviously this is a pencil pouch, so I can put a pen in there. So I have lotion, a perfume, a pen. I also brought a little mirror. This is the cutest little, how cute is this Christian Dior mirror? It came with a purchase. I bought it through Nordstrom, and it came like a gift with purchase. So this can actually fit, which is awesome, but you'll have to kind of put it on its side a little bit. So let me hold off on putting that in. And then let's do some hand sanitizer. This is hand sanitizer from Victoria's Secret. This is from Zumoni. I always just kind of put it in there, and that will fit. But let's take this off for now, and I'll show you. You can pop the hand sanitizer in there. And then you guys, you get on me all the time. You're like, Amber, what is it with you and your tampons? You're mentioning it all the time. But you guys, let me tell you, this is pretty darn perfect for concealing your tampons. So you can see in there. And then we want some lipstick. So let's go with this Gucci Hold Your Man. I mention this all the time. I love it. Pop that in there. We got a little Gucci lip balm. Pop that in there. And then you can put the mirror. Let's see. Well, the mirror might be a little too full for the mirror, but let me just go ahead and close it. And there you have it. So that fits a good amount. I think this would be a great little keep all. So keep in mind, it's not going to fit a card holder, and it's not going to fit, I mean, it will fit this mirror, but you might have to finagle it a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all the things that I have in here, so you can kind of see like everything that fit. So of course, tampon perfection right here. You have a lipstick, you have another lipstick, you have a lotion, a hand sanitizer, a pen, and then you have a perfume. So I think this is like a perfect little keep all for your makeup, you know, that kind of stuff. So now what I want to do, you guys, let me grab a couple handbags that I normally carry, and I want to see how this pencil pouch is going to fit, because that's really, really important that it's going to fit in my purses. So let me go grab my handbags and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me put this stuff back in here because I want to see how it would fit full. So let's go ahead and put all this in here. Oh, this is perfect. I think I'm really gonna like this. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, obviously this will fit in the pochette Matisse. I already know that. It will fit in the Neverfull. So I'm gonna bring out 4 other handbags that I always carry. So we'll get a little bit of visual eye candy here. Okay, the first bag that you guys know that I love so much is my Ysl Camera Bag. I love this. You can see, don't have anything in it, but I want to see if the pencil pouch will fit. And yes, ta-da, it does fit. So one down. This is a bag I carry quite often, and the pencil pouch will fit. Okay, next bag we have is the beautiful Alma BB. You know how much I love it. Is the pencil pouch going to fit? Let's see. All right, it does not fit vertically, but it does fit in there. Yay! Oh my goodness, it fits at the bottom. So you can put it all the way at the bottom, or you can kind of like have it diagonal like that, but it does fit in this, which makes me very happy. Okay, this beauty, oh, I love this one. This is the Palm Springs mini backpack. I really hope it fits. I really hope it fits. Let's see, what do you guys think? Well, I think it's gonna be like a tight squeeze, but we'll try. Oh my goodness. Yes, it does. Okay, so that one you have to finagle a little bit, but it works, and you can put stuff on the side, like, you know, you can put like your card holder and stuff on the side. So it is a little bit more of a tight squeeze with this one, but it does work. And then the final bag I want to try is my beauty. This is my Chanel medium classic flap. You guys know I love this one, and this is what I take on date nights. Obviously this is going to be a little too big for my mini rectangular, so let's see if it fits in here. I currently have an organizer in it. You know what, I'm going to take the organizer out. I feel like it will fit better. Yes, it will. So if I take the organizer out, I can fit it in there nicely, and it closes. I'm really, really excited. This pencil pouch right here, oh my goodness, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I have to be honest. As I was ordering it, I thought to myself, Amber, are you crazy? Do you really need a pencil pouch? What is wrong with you? But I have to be honest. Look at this. I'm really excited. I think I am really going to get a lot of use out of it. It is beautiful to look at, and it fits in 4 of the bags that I carry quite often. So you guys, it seems like it is a win-win. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited after seeing what fits in this little guy, and also seeing that it actually fits in the purses that I use the most. I could not be more thrilled. It is so beautiful. This is one of those purchases that really surprised me. Like when I first got it, I thought, Amber, you don't need that, but you know what? I really think I'm going to use it a lot. So, oh, I'm so excited. If anyone, I haven't really heard too many people out there talking about the Elizabeth pencil pouch. So if you guys own this and you do use it for things other than pens, let me know how it's been working out for you, because I think I'm going to love it, and it is in this beautiful watercolor print. So there you have it, you guys. That was this little unboxing. Thank you so much for joining along with me. If you have any questions at all, make sure to leave it down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I will leave all the details of this down below, and I'll leave like the item number and everything in case you guys are looking for it. And then I'll also try to find some other options on the pre-love market. I always try to do that for you guys when I'm talking about things in videos. That way you can kind of have a chance to find it in the event it's not available on the Louis Vuitton website, because I know sometimes things are hard to get on the website. So I'm super excited. Let me know your thoughts. Did you guys, was this a surprise? Did you know I was gonna get it? But I'm so excited. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.